Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you this party look right here. This is a smudged out eyeliner kind of a look with bronze and copper glitters in it, and this is again something new for me. I have never done such a look on my channel before, so yeah, this is something new for me, and I paired it with a vibrant red lipstick. I hope you enjoy this video. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app and press that red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload. So yeah, let's get started. First, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Espresso, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling it in using smaller strokes. I already shared with you my brow routine. If you want to check that video out, I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm just combing my brows so that there is no patchiness. Now I'm taking this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Natural, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I like to do this step whenever I'm doing any party makeup. I'm also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime them for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. And I'm just blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Real Techniques. Taking my Coty Airspun loose powder, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I'm drawing a wing here, and it does not have to be precise or perfect because I'm going to smudge it later. Now with a small shader brush, I'm just smudging the eyeliner, and you guys can see I'm taking it towards my eyelids because I want a gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. Now I'm taking Burkina from my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color. Now I'm taking Ada, which is a warm brown color, and I'm just placing it next to the black eyeshadow again to create a gradient. Now I'm taking Casablanca, which is a shimmery bronze color, and I'm just applying it on the center of my eyelid, and my camera does not want to focus. Now I'm mixing Giza and Dahlia together, and I'm just applying it on my inner corner. Now I'm taking Cairo, which is a beautiful copper color, and I'm just applying it between the shimmery bronze color and that warm brown color called Ada. Now I'm again applying the transition color. Now with the same gel eyeliner, I'm lining my eyelid, and I'm not creating any wing here because I already did it earlier. Now I'm taking this NYX Glitter Gold liquid eyeshadow in the shade Multiverse, and I'm just applying it on top of Casablanca. To spread the glitters evenly, I'm just tapping it with my finger. Before continuing with my eye makeup, I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, and I'm just priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. Now this primer needs some time to settle down, so you have to give it at least 2 minutes before applying anything on top. Now I'm color correcting my hyperpigmented areas with my L.A.Girl color corrector in orange. I'm just blending everything out with my finger. Color correcting is must whenever I'm doing any party makeup. For my foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 220, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes in a bigger triangular shape. This concealer is a full coverage concealer. On my chin, cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. I'm just blending everything out again with the same damp beauty sponge. I'm taking the same Coty Airspun loose powder and I'm setting my under eyes and my smile lines, and as you guys can see, I'm literally pressing the product in. It will ensure that nothing is creasing. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent, and I love this powder. It does not alter the shades of my foundation or my concealer, and I'm just pressing it in using my Equate Beauty large powder brush. I'm applying a lot of loose powder underneath my eyes. If I get any fallouts due to the eyeshadows, it will catch that fallout and I can dust it off later without spoiling my base. I'm finishing my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tight lining my eyes using the same gel eyeliner. Taking the same gel eyeliner, I'm smoking out my lower lash line even more. I'm taking a dove, which is the warm brown color, and I'm just applying it on the borders of that eyeliner. I'm curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Volume Express mascara. I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners using my Sivanna Shimmer Brick highlighter in the shade 02. I'm just dusting off the excess powder. For my falsies, I'm going to use this Ardell Double Up Lashes in 207. These are my favorite. And here is the final eye look. I really love the way how it turned out. Now I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Suntan, and with this Wet n Wild contour brush, I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline to hide all those double chins, my forehead, and my nose. For that, I'm using an eyeshadow brush. For my blush, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks using this small stippling brush from Wet n Wild. I'm using the same Sivanna Color Brick highlighter, and I'm taking the second shade from the bottom, and I'm just highlighting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and the sides of my forehead. If you are from India, you have to get this highlighter. This is so blinding. This is one of my favorite highlighters. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Still the Dill Hydrating Setting Spray, and I'm just spritzing it all over on my face. This stuff is so good. For my lips, I decided to go with a vibrant red color, and this is Colourpop Ultimate Lipstick in the shade Creeper, and I think this lipstick is complementing that eye look. And that's pretty much it. So here is the final look, and I paired it with two types of hairstyles just to give you some options, and I really love the way how it turned out. If you liked watching this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share this video with your friends and family and let them know about my channel. If you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, all the links will be given in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. So see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.